If you're a brand new gun owner, the most dangerous place you'll handle your firearm isn't the range, it's your home. Not because something dramatic is about to happen, but because comfort creates complacency. Most negligent discharges don't happen during structured range time. They happen during casual handling. Too many beginners believe improvement only comes from sending rounds downrange and burning through ammo. But the truth is this: real skill is built through disciplined repetition of fundamentals, and those fundamentals can be practiced safely at home without ever introducing live ammunition. This approach saves money, but more importantly, it builds confidence without noise, recoil, or pressure. It allows you to focus on what actually matters: safe handling, consistent mechanics, and disciplined habits. Because with firearms, habits matter more than hardware. And the habits you build quietly at home are the ones that show up when it counts. Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 non-lethal training tools that help you build real self-handling discipline from day one. We'll count them down from number 3 to my personal favorite at number 1. But first, foundation. The 4 universal safety rules. Before we touch any training tool, every responsible gun owner must live by the 4 universal safety rules. 1. Treat every firearm as if it is loaded. Even if you just checked it, even if someone told you it's empty, complacency is the root of most negligent discharges. 2. Never point the muzzle at anything you are not willing to destroy. Direction matters at all times. Real firearm or training tool habits transfer. 3. Keep your finger off the trigger until your sights are on target and you've made the decision to fire. Finger indexed high along the frame, not inside the guard, not resting on it, off. 4. Know your target and what is beyond it. Even at home, establish a safe direction. Think about what's behind walls. Visualize the path. These rules apply to real firearms, laser trainers, airsoft, and inert replicas. Ignore them, and practice becomes risk. Respect them, and practice builds discipline. Now, let's start the countdown. Number 3. Laser Dry Fire Training System. A laser dry fire system gives you visual feedback without recoil, noise, or projectile. Before any dry fire session, remove the magazine. Lock the slide open. Look, feel, look again. Then remove all live ammunition from the room. Not the table, not your pocket, the room. With a laser trainer, you refine slight alignment, trigger press, grip pressure, presentation, follow through. If the sights dip when you press the trigger, the laser shows you instantly. Many beginners anticipate recoil and push the muzzle down without realizing it. The feedback reveals it before bad habits set in. Systems like Mantis Laser Academy or Strikeman pair a laser cartridge with an app that tracks your shots and guides drills. That means you're not guessing, you're measuring. You can run structured practice sessions, track consistency, and see improvement over time, all without firing live rounds. Work slow, 10 to 20 clean repetitions per session. You are not training speed, you are training consistency. Fix fundamentals at home and your live fire sessions improve dramatically. Number 2. Blue Airsoft Training Pistol. Airsoft adds a layer of realism with light recoil and cycling action without live ammunition. It allows you to practice grip and stance, trigger control, reload mechanics, safe draw and presentation, movement with muzzle awareness. But safety rules still apply. Wear eye protection, establish a backstop, never mix airsoft and real firearms in the same session. Store them separately. Confusion creates risk. Responsible owners remove confusion by design. A blue training platform like the Walther PPQ M2 LE training version is intentionally marked to distinguish it clearly from a real firearm. That visual difference matters. Airsoft bridges the gap between dry fire and the range. It builds comfort and reinforces discipline without overwhelming new shooters. Repeat reloads, repeat presentations, repeat safe movement. Awkward becomes smooth. Smooth becomes automatic. Number 1. Training replica for handling discipline. This one surprises people. My favorite beginner training tool is actually a replica firearm built out of Lego. And before anyone laughs, hear me out. This thing is designed to handle almost exactly like a Glock-style handgun. You can load it, cycle it, shoot plastic rounds, and run manipulation drills. That means you can practice things like grip establishment, trigger indexing, reloads, presentation from ready, muzzle awareness. You can even practice malfunction drills, which are important skills for any shooter to understand. For example, a stage 1 malfunction happens when you press the trigger and nothing happens, usually because the round didn't fire, and the fix is a quick tap rack to get the gun running again. A stage 2 malfunction happens when a casing gets stuck in the ejection port, often called a stovepipe, and you clear it by sweeping it out while racking the slide. And a stage 3 malfunction is when 2 rounds try to enter the chamber at the same time, which locks the gun up and requires removing the magazine and clearing the chamber before reloading. Being able to safely practice those skills without introducing real ammunition into the environment is extremely valuable for beginners, because beginners often struggle with hesitation and anxiety when handling a real firearm. They're worried about doing something wrong. A training replica removes that tension while still reinforcing the habits that matter, because the brain builds patterns through repetition. It doesn't really distinguish between practice and real. It just records behavior. Handle something carelessly and that carelessness transfers. Handle it with discipline and discipline transfers. Try this simple drill. 5 minutes a day, pick it up, establish your grip, index your finger along the frame. Choose a safe direction. Run a reload or manipulation drill. Set it down. Over time, hesitation disappears and handling becomes intentional. I actually use this for manipulation practice because it allows safe repetition while still feeling realistic in the hands. It's simple, but simple repetition builds strong habits, and strong habits are what keep people safe. These aren't toys, they're discipline tools. Now, core safety topics every beginner must master. Safe storage is non-negotiable. Use safes, lockboxes, or cable locks. Separate ammunition when appropriate. Test your storage regularly. Clearing procedures must be ritualized. Remove the magazine, lock open, look, feel, look again. Never assume. Transportation safety matters. Follow your local and state laws. Secure firearms properly when traveling. Trigger discipline prevents negligent discharges. Finger indexed, always. Muzzle awareness is constant. Choose a safe direction immediately. Ammunition awareness matters. Never mix live rounds with training tools. Separate categories physically. Owning a firearm is not about ego. It is about responsibility. Skill builds slowly. Safety builds daily. Confidence builds through repetition. The goal of at-home training isn't to look tactical. It's to become stable, disciplined, intentional. The tool is neutral. Your behavior determines safety. If you're new to firearm ownership, start small. Master the 4 safety rules. Clear properly every time. Separate ammunition. Secure your firearms. Train slowly and deliberately. Because the habits you build in quiet practice are the ones that protect you when it matters. If you want to explore the exact laser systems, Blue Training Airsoft platform, or inert replica I mentioned, they're linked in the description below. Choose what fits your comfort level. Build gradually. But remember, hardware doesn't make you safer. Habits do. Skill is earned. Safety is practiced. Discipline is chosen. Train smart. Store smart. Stay safe. Stay sharp. And as always, stay practical.